In this tutorial of Forensic 9.0, we will review the crop filter. So the video can be cropped to desired dimensions by using crop enhancement. The amount of crop can be specified by setting the percentage of video size or by specifying each crop border independently. Your preferred method can be chosen with the custom crop button. To assist cropping, Forensic displays cropping guidelines that are visible only if Apply Enhancements button is turned off. So right now it's turned off. You can also manually adjust these using the cropping mouse mode button on the upper left of the workspace, which is right here. So we'll go ahead and turn the crop button on, and it automatically detects it. You can click on this plus sign here, and you can adjust the dimensions, or you can go to the percentage and adjust that, or you can just grab a hold of one corner and resize it and then click apply.